Hey everyone, I thought I'd take a minute to show y'all what I've been up to. I've been up to doing garden. As you can see, these are tomato plants. I have to do everything in pots, so yeah. I had planted some onions from seed, and they're growing, but I don't know if they're doing too good. This is some marigolds. Here's some already grown marigolds. My yuccas. Some sage. Onion. This is supposed to be collards, but if you see, they're not doing all that great. Some pet grass, squash, and look, again, they're true leaves here. I don't know what y'all know about true leaves, but that's when they start coming in and you can kind of tell what you got growing. This is one type of cucumber, and if you look closely, they're trying to get theirs too. Okay? Some more marigolds. This is catnip. Okay? This is bell peppers that I have grown. Some more pet grass. Say lavender. See the lavender flower? A different kind of cucumber. Some more marigolds. I'm not sure what all these are. Crystal has actually planted some as well. Another set of marigolds. This is more lavender. You look. This is blackberries growing amidst my garden. More sage. Jalapeno peppers. Basil, which I had harvested recently, and yes, some critters have been eating it. I found an inchworm on one of my plants the other day. This is lemon balm. More marigolds. Beautiful, beautiful rosemary. Bell peppers. Getting ready to bloom, I see. Collards. Turnips. Marigolds. And both of these are dandelions, which is actually starting to come in pretty decent. So, from a whole, tomatoes, garden. And over here, got a bird feeder. Oh, bird feeder. And since I do practice a little bit of witchcraft, you know I have to grow my lucky clover. We got some rain today, so it made my clover a little lazy. So, tell me, what have y'all been up to since I've been away off of YouTube?